Hey guys, today's video is going to be a LUSH haul. I made a purchase from LUSH and I'm super excited because I haven't bought anything from LUSH in a while. If you have been on my channel for a while, you know I used to do LUSH hauls all the time. I love LUSH. Okay, hold on. Let's talk about this for a second. My favorite product ever from LUSH is the Christmas Eve bubble bar. And every year they play games with my heart because I'm like, are they gonna bring it back this year? Are they not? Are they not? They didn't bring it back this year. I don't think they brought it back last year, but then they had it the year before that, but then like 2 years in a row they didn't have it. Like I don't know. I don't know why they keep playing games with me, but it makes me really sad because seriously, and I have one. Oh, it's actually, nope, it's right here. Hold on, let me show you. I have 3 left, I think, from like 2 years ago or 3 years ago. I have 1 downstairs and then 2 upstairs. Oh my gosh. It has jasmine, ylang ylang, something else, but it just, oh my gosh, smells so good. And I'm savoring this. I'm savoring this and the other 2. I don't know what to do. I actually emailed LUSH and I said, can you guys just bring it back? Can you just bring it back for me? I will literally buy in bulk. Like, I do not care the price. I will literally pay whatever you want me to. I don't think they think I'm serious, but I am dead serious. I will pay whatever price to buy Christmas Eve bubble bar in bulk. Like, you don't have to put the cute little thing, just like mix it up and just send me a big slab of it and I'll cut it up myself. Like, guys, my obsession with Christmas Eve bubble bar it's a real thing. And I just realized I look like a friggin' football player in this sweatshirt. The shoulders look very wide. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. I really want to start a petition to bring back the Christmas Eve bubble bar because I need it in my life forever. I do. And I've gone into LUSH stores and I've had employees be like, oh, try this. It smells just like it. I'm like, don't ever talk to me like that again, because no, it doesn't. Nothing smells just like Christmas Eve bubble bar. Nothing does. Like, okay, yeah, some things have like notes of jasmine in it. Some things have notes of ylang ylang, but nothing smells just like Christmas Eve bubble bar. Don't play games with me. I know. Here's the box. Ooh, I like this. They have pictures and descriptions of everything that I bought. It's definitely been a while since I purchased from LUSH. They never used to do this. There's literally like pictures, so I can tell you guys what everything is. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, all right. First thing is this gorgeousness. Look how pretty that is. This is the Sleepy Bubble Bar. Oh. It doesn't say what it smells like. Ooh, it smells like Snow Fairy. Right? Snow Fairy, I think. Yeah, it's like bubblegum. Ooh. Okay, that smells very relaxing, like sleepy. Yes. There's definitely lavender in there. Ooh, that smells really good. Ah! I literally just got some in my eye. It just literally shot up in my eye. This is the Unicorn Horn Bubble Bar. Oh, the tip fell off. This smells really good. So I suck at like describing scents, so I'm gonna have to just look up the notes. Next is the Nana Bubble Bar. I've never gotten this one before. You can see. Ooh. It's gonna be so obnoxious in this video. That smells, hold on. Let me think about it. I want to say like caramel or like butterscotch. I'm probably way off. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I wanted to paint my nails for this video, but it didn't happen. Next thing is this guy. Sorry, I was reading a little note on the back. This is the Buffy Body Butter. It says, I get melty when hot. Pop me in the fridge and I'll be good to go. Ugh. This, oh yes. This has like shea butter. This is good stuff. All this stuff is good stuff. Okay, this, oh, sorry about the, see that? See that? If I sit back a little bit, you can't really see it. Guys, I seriously look like a football player. Is that what football players say? I hate football. I watched a little bit last night, Cowboys game where their quarterback like broke his ankle. Poor guy. That was super sad. But yes, I don't, okay. Anyway, This is next. This guy right here. This is the Shooting Stars soap. That is very citrusy. That's very awakening and invigorating. It smells really good. Next thing is this little kitty cat right here. Kitty cat, this is the Lucky Cat Bubble Bar. One of these has jasmine in it, and guys, I really don't like the way that it looks. I can't get over this. Should I change my shirt? Should I? Okay. I have no idea what it smells like. It smells good. No idea what that is though. This one is one of my favorites. This is the Comforter Bubble Bar. This one's like raspberry. This is like berry. I don't even need to take it out. Oh, I can smell it through the thing. Yeah, this is like berry, some type of berries, a couple berries. Oh, it smells so good. One of my favorites. This is Luxury Lush Pud Bath Bomb. Ooh, very pretty. I've gotten this one before. I don't know. What if I roll up my sleeves and like, see, like this thing protrudes, like my shoulder ends here, not freaking out here. Anyway, next one is the Flight Bath Bomb. That smells good. Never got this one before. Very pretty, right? Yeah, Flight Bath Bomb, that's what this guy is. This is the Rose Butterfly Bath Bomb. Oh, this one's pretty. Ooh. Ooh, smells very florally. This next one is from their Halloween collection. Guys, I can't get over this frickin' sweatshirt. Bat Art Bath Bomb. I don't think I like this one. Why does it have a hint of cat piss? It really kind of does. I need to see what that is. It smells kind of like cat piss, like, not gonna lie. And the last thing is one of my favorites. It's the Sex Bomb Bath Bomb. It looks like this. It smells so good. Yes. This one does have jasmine in it, I'm pretty sure. Football player Vanessa is gonna sign out now and change this. I got crap all over me. That is it for my haul video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll link everything that I got down below if you're interested in purchasing anything. And yeah, you guys should petition. You guys should all email Lush and tell them Vanessa wants you to bring back Christmas Eve Bubble Bar. She will pay any price for it. She will do whatever it takes to get that back. You guys should, we should do this. We should start a petition. Comment down below if you like Christmas Eve Bubble Bar, because I know I'm not the only one, because oh, I love you. All right, that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.